The Supreme Court, September 1, 2025. Verdict makes the Teacher Eligibility Test, TET, mandatory for all in-service teachers appointed before the Right to Education, RTE Act, 2009, to continue their jobs. Teachers have 2 years to pass the TET, and failing to do so will result in compulsory retirement or termination. However, teachers with less than 5 years of service remaining before retirement are exempt from the TET requirement but are ineligible for promotion unless they pass the test. The judgment was made in a Maharashtra case but also referred the question of whether the RTE Act applies to minority educational institutions to a larger bench for a decision. Key points of the verdict: mandatory for existing teachers. All teachers appointed before the RTE Act, 2009, must now qualify for TET to remain in their jobs. Time limit. A 2-year time frame has been given for in-service teachers to obtain the TET certificate. Consequences of failure. Teachers who fail to pass the TET within 2 years will face termination from service. Exemption for senior teachers. Teachers with less than 5 years of service remaining are exempt from the TET requirement. Promotion restriction. Even if a teacher is exempt due to less than 5 years of service left, they will not be eligible for promotion unless they pass the TET. Applies to various TETs. Teachers can appear for any relevant TET exam, such as the Central Teacher Eligibility Test, CTET, or state-specific tests like Maharashtra, TET, or UPTET. Minority institutions. The Supreme Court questioned the applicability of the RTE Act to minority institutions and referred this aspect to a larger bench. The original verdict arose from a case involving such institutions. Impact. The ruling aims to ensure minimum teaching standards across India by creating a uniform national benchmark for teacher quality. It affects approximately 20 to 30 lakh teachers in India. Teachers in West Bengal. While the verdict has been delivered, its implementation will require state-level regulations. Teachers in West Bengal are advised to wait for official notifications from the state government rather than panicking, as the judgment is primarily applicable to Maharashtra.